What if the next solar power plant didn't sit on land at all, but floated on water? Across the world, engineers are turning lakes, reservoirs, and industrial ponds into giant power stations. At first glance, the idea sounds simple. But behind this floating platform lies a major engineering breakthrough. And the reason may surprise you. The biggest challenge facing solar energy is not always sunlight. Sometimes it is space. And floating solar offers a new answer to an old problem. The question is whether this solution can scale fast enough. Because the global energy race is accelerating, solar panels have traditionally occupied large areas of valuable land. As renewable energy expanded, land competition became increasingly difficult. Engineers started looking toward an overlooked resource. Water surfaces already existed in enormous quantities. Most of them generated no energy at all. The concept of floating solar emerged from that simple observation. Instead of building on land, panels could float above water. The first projects were small experiments. Then the results began attracting attention. Suddenly, a niche idea became a global industry. At its core, the technology is elegantly simple. Solar panels are mounted on interconnected floating structures. These platforms are designed to withstand years of exposure. Anchoring systems keep the installation stable. Electrical cables safely transfer energy to shore. The entire system moves gently with changing water levels. Unlike fixed ground systems, flexibility becomes an advantage. Water also creates a hidden performance benefit. Solar panels lose efficiency when they become too hot. Floating above water helps keep them cooler. Cooling is only the beginning. These systems can reduce water evaporation. That benefit is increasingly valuable in drought-prone regions. Some reservoirs lose enormous amounts of water every year. Partial shading can slow that loss. The technology also avoids conflicts over farmland. Food production and energy production no longer compete for the same space. Industrial water bodies become productive assets. Even wastewater treatment plants can host floating solar. Suddenly, unused surfaces become sources of electricity. What began as an experiment has grown to astonishing scale. Asia has become one of the industry's largest growth centers. Some projects now cover areas larger than entire neighborhoods. Their geometric patterns are visible from space. Utilities are pairing them with hydroelectric dams. The combination creates powerful energy partnerships. Existing transmission infrastructure can already be in place. That reduces development costs. Investors have taken notice, and the market continues expanding year after year. Yet, floating solar is not a perfect solution. Water introduces new engineering challenges. Strong winds can place stress on large installations. Waves and storms require careful design. Corrosion must be managed over decades. Maintenance can be more complicated than on land. Environmental impacts must also be studied carefully. Every reservoir behaves differently. Engineers must balance energy production with ecosystem protection. That balance will shape the industry's future. The world needs enormous amounts of clean electricity. Demand continues rising as economies develop. Transportation is becoming increasingly electric. Data centers require vast amounts of power. Industries are searching for lower carbon energy sources. floating solar adds another tool to the energy transition. It does not replace every technology, but it expands the number of options available. And in the energy transition, options matter. Sometimes, the most valuable space is the space nobody was using. Researchers are already developing next-generation designs. Materials are becoming lighter and stronger. Installation methods are becoming faster. Energy storage systems are increasingly being integrated. Entire renewable ecosystems may emerge around reservoirs. The surface of water could become one of the planet's newest energy frontiers. And yet, the idea remains surprisingly simple. Place solar panels where sunlight is abundant and space is available. The next major energy breakthrough may already be floating quietly in plain sight. And the next time you look across a calm lake, you may be looking at the future of electricity